was cold.
Mm. 15 minutes later.
What you say? What you want to do? What? What? What's good? What's good? What's good? Because I got my lashes on now. What's good? We can talk about it. Let's talk about it. What's up? Ooh, these lashes, it's cute. Now all I gotta do is my hair. I'm actually gonna fill in my eyebrows. As you can see, I try to put my bowl inside a bigger bowl because every time I put oatmeal in the microwave, it always explodes and I have a mess to clean up. So I just like to double it up so I don't have too much of a mess to clean. And my oatmeal today is really just tacky. I don't know how else to describe it. My eggs are fire. But they really are. I'm not even like flexing. ASMR. Fun fact to know about me, I really don't like when people smack, when they chew their food too loud, when they're smacking on drinks, when you should drink it, not trying to savor the taste and stuff like that. It annoys me to a point where I have to leave from the area or I'm gonna go crazy. And I try to deal with it, but I can't. I really can't.
Level up, level up.